What's up everyone, so these tips will help you to save battery life on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and Watch 4 Classic. So let's get started. The first tip is kind of simple and you can use it to conserve a lot of battery life on your watch. So you have to swipe down and now swipe to the left. You will see this battery icon. Just tap it. This will limit the CPU usage of your watch. Also you can go into settings. Now scroll down and tap on battery to see all these settings that this battery saver mode will do. Rest you can also use watch only mode if you are going out on a trip without a charger, as it will give you about 23 days of watch only battery life. Display of a smartwatch is the most battery consuming thing, and I have some settings for the display that you can use as well. First, make sure you use a dark watch face as the watch has an OLED display. So using a black watch face will save a bit of battery. Next, always on display is a feature that consumes a lot of battery when it is turned on. So make sure to turn it off when you don't need it. Also, you can use this quick toggle to turn on and off the always on display mode just by swiping down on the watch face. And if you are a person who wants to have this always on display feature to be turned on all the time, make sure you use a watch face that is kind of minimal, showing very less information. Like here, I'm using this Pixel watch face, totally free on the Google Play Store. In this way you can use AOD mode without draining a lot of battery percentage on your Galaxy Watch. Moving on to the next tip for the display, go to settings and here tap on display. Now here, if you are not using auto brightness, make sure to set brightness somewhere here around 40 to 50%. Next you have to scroll all the way down and tap on screen timeout. Now choose 15 seconds. So these were the settings that were related to display. Make sure you try them out. With the Galaxy Watch 4, now you can install a lot of applications from the Google Play Store, but it means all those apps running in the background can drain battery of your watch. For this, I have made a simple way to close all the apps at once by a single tap. And in order to set it up, go to settings. Now tap on advanced features. Scroll down and choose customize keys. Here select back key, which is this second key, and now tap on most recent apps. In this way, just by using the back key, you can close all the apps at once which are running in the background. Another simple way to do this is on your main watch face. Just swipe up and tap on this icon at the top. Now you can close all the apps at once. Next we will talk about notifications. So every time a notification comes on your phone, your watch will vibrate as well. And if you get a ton of notifications on your phone, this will surely drain battery of your watch. So in order to see just the most important notifications on your watch, go to Galaxy wearable application on your phone. Now tap on watch settings and choose notifications. Here tap on more and select just those apps which you think are important to see on your watch. Then go back and tap on advanced notification settings. Now make sure turn on screen and turn on for new apps toggle is turned off. You will still be able to receive notification alerts on your watch with the help of vibration feedback, and then you can simply swipe to the right to see that notification. And if you further want to go ahead and save a little bit more battery on your watch, you can change vibration settings. For that, go to Galaxy wearable app on your phone. Now tap on sound and vibration. Then choose vibration. Here by default, vibration intensity is set to short and strong, but you can set it to short and light. Next tip is regarding connectivity on your watch. So if you have your phone connected to your watch, most of the time you can simply turn off Wi-Fi as it will save a bit of battery, but still your internet services on watch will work via Bluetooth. Next, you can also turn off NFC if you don't use Google or Samsung Pay. Another setting that you can use is by enabling developer mode, which you can do by going into settings. Now scroll down and tap on about watch. Select software and tap multiple times on software version. This will turn on developer mode. Now go back and choose developer options and scroll all the way down till you see turn on Wi-Fi automatically when charging. Just toggle it on. In this way, any major software update or apps will be updated automatically in the background with Wi-Fi connection when watch is on charger. The last tip is related to bedtime mode. So if you use your watch for sleep tracking, this can help a lot, as turning on bedtime mode will put the watch in low power state and it will not turn on the display with accidental touches or by bezel movements. So in order to turn on bedtime mode, simply swipe down on the main watch face. Now you will see a bed with a moon at the top. Just tap on it. Now bedtime mode is turned on, and whenever you want to turn it off, just tap or press the power key, and now tap on turn off. So guys, these were the main tips that you can use to save battery on your Galaxy Watch. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.